सांसद सौमित्र खान ने अंतर्राष्ट्रीय न्यायालय की रिपोर्ट पर यूएनजीए में भारत का व्यक्तित्व किया है। भारत ने जलवायु परिवर्तन पर सलाहकार कार्यवाही में रचनात्मक रूप से भाग लिया है और साझा किंतु विभेदित उत्तरदायित्वों और संबंधित क्षमताओं के सिद्धांत की केंद्रीयता को रेखांकित किया है। महत्वाकांक्षी जलवायु कार्यवाही का पुरजोर समर्थन करते हुए भारत ने इस बात पर जोर दिया कि जलवायु परिवर्तन पर मौजूदा संयुक्त राष्ट्र फ्रेमवर्क कन्वेंशन, उसका क्योटो प्रोटोकॉल और उसका पेरिस समझौता मौजूदा कानूनी ढांचे का निर्माण करते हैं और विकसित देश को सबसे पहले जलवायु, वित्त और प्रौद्योगिकी हस्तांतरण के संबंध में अपनी प्रतिबद्धताओं को पूरा करना होगा। यह घटनाक्रम न्यायालय की अपरिहार्य भूमिका की पुष्टि करता है।
The International Court of Justice, as the principal judicial organ of the United Nations, possesses a unique and unparalleled capacity to address the complexities involved in the international legal disputes. Entrusted with the vital mandate of adjudicating legal conflicts between sovereign states and upholding the rule of law in global affairs. The court has constantly demonstrated and its commitment to delivering fair and equitable outcomes. Over the years, there has been a marked increase in the number of cases brought before it, reflecting the growing confidence to the international community in its imperiality and expertise. A notable evolution in the court's functioning is its expanding engagement with sustainable legal issues. Unlike earlier periods when judicial matters dominated its docket, the court is now increasingly tasked with resolving intricate legal questions arising from diverse regions across the world. Madam President, it was noted that 74 parties to the SCJ statute have issued declarations, some with grievance accepting the court's compulsory jurisdiction is outlined in Article 36, paragraphs 2 and 5 of the statute. Furthermore, over 300 bilateral and multilateral treaties and conventions confer jurisdiction upon the ICJ to adjudicate a wide range to interstate disputes. These provisions highlighted the court's role as the principal judicial organ of the United Nations in promoting the peaceful settlement of disputes and reinforcing of international law. Over the past 76 years, the International Court of Justice has adjudicated an extensive array of legal issues, encompassing disputes related to sovereignty over territories, navigation rights, nationality, asylum, exploitation of the law of the sea and land of maritime boundaries. It has also addressed cases currently before the court, reflects both breadth and complexity with its jurisdiction counting to play a pivotal role in shaping and codifying international law. The court remains as an indispensable forum for interpretation of international law as a framework for managing interstate relations. The issues of presently before it are equally wide-ranging, and its judgments have played an important role in the progressive